This is so cute. So I'm starting off by adding some dry shampoo to my hair to give it some texture. Then I'm going to be doing a side part, and the first thing I'm doing is grabbing this section of hair. It's about 2 or 3 inches wide, and I'm just placing an elastic on that, and then a couple inches down I'm placing another one. Then I'm going to create a hole in that little bubble that we just made, and I'm going to grab a section of hair from underneath, and I'm going to pull that through. Then a couple inches down on that, I'm going to add another elastic, and then I'm going to grab the section beneath that and pull it through the top. So we're kind of just doing a pattern here. I think I've shown you guys how to do a pull through braid before, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. So I'm just doing a pull through braid all the way down to the bottom of my hair. And then once I have gotten all the way down to the bottom, I'm just going to secure those 2 sections together by placing an elastic on both of them. Then I'm going to start pulling this apart to give it some volume. This is what's going to make it look really like Instagram worthy and kind of like a statement hairstyle. So you guys can make this as big or as little as you want. I usually like to make mine pretty big. Then I'm grabbing my Numi Octo Wand set, and this thing is so awesome. It comes with 8 interchangeable barrels, so you have infinite options from loose waves to defined curls. And this also has infrared heat technology, and it delivers consistent and steady heat. So I am just taking the biggest wand, and I'm starting a couple inches down on my hair, wrapping this around and then leaving the bottom couple inches out, because in the picture I was going off of, the girl just had really big loose waves, so I'm not holding this for too long or making my curls too tight. So I'm just doing this to my entire head. Also, if you guys want to check out Numi, I will have their link in the down bar below, and I also have some coupon codes for you guys, so you can use the code HOTHOLIDAY for 20% off the entire holiday collection, or you can also use the code HOTCHOCOLATE to get any set for $89 and free shipping. So that is super awesome, and I really do love Numi curling irons. They're all I use, and this Octo Wand set is freaking awesome because it has every size of curling iron that you could ever need, so it's perfect. Once I'm done curling, I just hairsprayed my hair, and this is the final look. I think it's so cute and I love it, and it's great for getting your hair out of your face, and of course it looks awesome in pictures. So this next hairstyle is a double braided bun, and I also think this one is super cute. So I'm starting off with a slight side part, and then I'm taking the front section of my hair, and I'm going to begin doing a French braid. But we're going to do a Dutch French braid, so this just means that we are crossing the braid underneath each other, underneath itself, instead of crossing the pieces over. So this is going to give it that 3D effect. So I'm doing a French braid down to my ear, and then I'm just regular braiding the rest of the way down. Then of course I'm going to pull some of the pieces out to give the braid some more texture and volume. Then I'm going to take the very bottom section of my hair, and I'm going to do a braid with this all the way down to the bottom. And then again, I'm just kind of pulling the pieces out to give it some more volume and texture. Then I secured that with an elastic, and I'm just grabbing the first braid we did and the rest of my hair, and I'm going to do a low messy bun. And then I'm taking that braid from the bottom, and I'm going to wrap this around my bun and then bobby pin it in place. And it's that simple. So I just pulled out a couple of my little front pieces and made my finishing touches, and that is how it turned out. So I think it's really, really cute. Also, this is super easy and super quick, so you guys should definitely try it out. And of course, it's also very Instagram worthy. So this last hairstyle I'm showing you guys is one of my favorites. So this is the Dutch French braid. So I'm starting off with a side part, and then I'm just gathering the top section of my hair, and I'm dividing this into 3 pieces. Then, just like the second hairstyle we did, we are doing a Dutch braid. So we're going to be crossing the pieces underneath each other. I see this hairstyle on Instagram all the time. It's so quick and simple. You're literally just doing like a normal French braid, but just reversing the direction that you are braiding in, if that makes sense. And it might seem kind of hard, but once you get the hang of it, it's like the easiest thing ever. And this is such a simple hairstyle that takes you like 2 minutes, and it looks super fancy. So I'm just braiding all the way down, and then of course pulling it out and making it super big and chunky. And then to finish off the look, I'm just taking this tapered curling wand that is also from my Numi Octo Wand set, and I'm just curling my front pieces. And it's that simple. I think this is so cute and so easy. And if you guys test out any of these hairstyles, be sure to tweet me a picture so I can see what they look like.